Hey everyone, in this video, I will walk you through how to buy XRP on Uphold step by step. Whether you are new to crypto or just looking for the easiest way to purchase XRP, this guide will help you get started. So now let's dive in. First, head over to the Uphold's official website or open the Uphold mobile app. Now, if you don't have an account yet, click sign up and follow the instructions to create one. You will need to verify your identity by submitting a photo ID, as Uphold requires identity verification for security and compliance purposes. If you already have an account, simply log in and move on to the next step. Now, before buying XRP, you will need to deposit funds into your Uphold wallet. You can do this through a bank transfer, a debit or credit card, or by transferring cryptocurrency from another wallet. If you choose a bank transfer, it may take some time for the funds to arrive, while using a debit or credit card allows for instant deposits but may come with additional fees. If you already have funds in your Uphold account, you can skip this step and proceed to the next part. Now, once your funds are available, navigate to the Transact section or tap on the From, then Add Funds if you are using the mobile application. Now, in the To field, or in the Select Destination field, search for XRP or Ripple and select it from the list. You will now see the current XRP price along with your available balance. Now enter the amount you wish to purchase in US dollars or your preferred currency. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Once you are satisfied with the details, click Preview Trade to double check everything. If everything looks good, click Confirm Transaction and complete your purchase. And congratulations, you now own XRP in your Uphold wallet. Now after purchasing XRP, you have a few options. You can keep it in your Uphold wallet for easy access and future trades, transfer it to an external XRP wallet like Trust Wallet, Ledger, or Sum for added security, or use it for payments and trading on other platforms. If you decide to withdraw, go to Send Session, enter your XRP wallet address, confirm the details, and approve the transaction. And that is how you buy XRP on Uphold in just a few simple steps. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.